I'm gonna be singing Selena Gomez Who Said. No. I hate these commercials. Okay. Wouldn't wanna be anybody else. Hey, I'm sure it's good. I'm really good enough for who you judge. And you're diamond and love until you got something. And you change about yourself when it comes to me. Wouldn't wanna be anybody else. No. I'm no beauty queen. I'm just beautiful. Na. You got every right to be beautiful. Come on, who says I'm not perfect? Who says I'm not worth it? Who says you're the only one that's heard it? Just think that's the price of beauty. Who says I'm not pretty? Who says I'm not faithful? Who says? Next, that's fine. Nothing's funny when it's so much in here. It makes me cry out the truth. It's like a work of art. I never get to see the light. Keep you beneath the stars. I like to touch something. I'm no beauty queen. I'm just beautiful me. Got every right to be the fly. Come on, fly. This isn't perfect. This isn't not worth it. This isn't the only one that's heard it. Just it. That's a price for beauty. This isn't not pretty. This isn't not beautiful. This is not potential. Who says you're not presidential? Who says you can't be a movie? Listen to me. Who says you don't have to dance? Who says you can't be the best? Who says? You who said? Who says you're not worth it? Who says you're not worth it? Who says you're the only one that's heard it? Trust it. That's a price of beauty. Who says you're not pretty? Who says you're not beautiful? Who says? Who says you're not worth it? Who says you're not worth it? Who says you're the only one that's hurting? Trust me, that's a price of beauty. Who says you're not pretty? Who says you're not beautiful? Who says? Thanks for watching and subscribe. See you later.